We launched from the Fox Creek mud ramp off Argilla Road and rode the outgoing tide through the Narrows down to the channel at the mouth of the Ipswich River. Great Neck was empty. Julia launched the drone, then pushed it skyward, 100 feet above the groin which holds back the silt from closing the river mouth. I walked east, towards the edge of the flats which abut the fast tidal flow, and had a look around. Julia initiated a pullback reveal of the shores of Cedar Point and rotated the camera to show the snow-covered dunes. When the tide turned, we got back into the boats and rode the tidal current through the Fox Creek Narrows to the overpass on Argilla Road. Then we packed up the boats and drove back to Gloucester.